This is a tutorial for the Olympus dissecting scope. So first remove the dust cover. Next you're going to turn on the power. So next you're going to notice that this turns the brightness of the light either higher or lower. So we got lower brightness and higher brightness all from this knob. The next thing is to look at actually what's happening down there. So you have a mirror here, and then you have sort of a, you know, not shiny, I don't know what the term for that is, mirror, and this is going to reflect light onto the sample. And so what you can see is when we actually move our sample onto the stage, you can see that the way that it's, let me actually move this here, you can see that the way that you turn this knob, it's affecting the mirror there, is going to affect where the light is concentrated in the sample. And then you can see on the other side, if we turn that mirror upside down, you can see that you get a light that's less bright, and that's because of the mirror that is, you know, matte. So that's all for there. Next, you're going to see this is the magnification. So you get lower magnification to higher magnification, and then here you get the focus knob, and so you can adjust the magnification and the focus knob accordingly, so that you can see the sample in the way that you'd like to see it. And sometimes you can start with magnification first, or sometimes you might want to start with the focus first, just depending on, you know, how in focus your sample happens to be when you first you know, just where it starts off. And so you can just play with that and see what gets you to, you know, your best sample. If you need to, you can clean the lenses with just a Kim wipe, gently making sure to be careful, it is sensitive. But here they look pretty clean, so I'm not going to do that today. So you're going to observe your sample and, you know, work with all, you know, and just make sure your brightness is where you want it to be and all those other factors. But when you're done with using the microscope, I'm going to show you how to shut it down. So first things first, remove the specimen from the stage. Next thing, you're going to just turn off the power, and then put the brightness to the lowest knob, which is 3. And you don't have to do anything with this knob. You should leave the magnification to the lowest magnification. Here that is going to be the 0.67 knob, and just going to look to make sure there's nothing you know, unusual going on. It looks all normal, and so then you're going to finish by putting the dust cover onto the microscope. And so we will do that now. Just learn how to do this with one hand. So I'm going to cover the microscope. This is really important. You do want to turn off the light for the microscope and take the cover and put the cover on, even if you're leaving the microscope out for just a little while, just because every moment this microscope isn't in use and it's just sitting out there accumulating dust and whatever, you know, burning the lights off in the microscope. It's just a waste of resources, and you know, we want to treat the resources in the lab with good respect, and so covering them and turning off the light is a good way to do that. So good steps to remember. Hope the video helped. Goodbye for now.